Okay. Oh no, mama ya.
Oh, okay.
Ani hapuga. Dida frumet. Ya wo buibu ya.
Oh, okay.
Ruben, you was gonna give the root of that word.
Okay? Now the internal part, I'm not an anatomist. I didn't even remember that there is a little pendulum here, right in the inside of the mouth. This is the thumb, right? What's the name of that pendulum? Garif, no. Oh. This little point here.
The
tonsil? Yep. But the tonsils are also called dede.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's also called dede. But this part, what about the part that goes in, where the food goes through? The end of the mouth. This part here is called okay, this part.
Oh my God. The tunnel?
Throat.
Yeah.
Throat. Oh.
Aguleragu. Stamina. A little left.
Oh, that's the tongue.
It's the tongue, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bro. Yeah, bro. Créeme.
There's a sembedina coming out.
We are from
Hopkins.
Be careful, Ryan.
Yeah.
That's a serious mistake. You know what I mean, Bill?
Yeah.
You know where she said it?
Yeah, you see that. That's all we got to say. Yeah. Capital of the South.
So this is what they call a guleragu. I mean, yumulugu. Okay? The inside of the mouth.
Okay.
Now we have.
We've done the face now.
The back of the body.
Can I try it?
Okay.
What's that?
Oh,
the
Okay. This is the arige. That's the ear. Arige.
ear.
Okay.
Outer ear.
Yeah, arige is this organ here, the posterior part of it. And then what's that part? This part here.
The inside.
The inside is arige rugu. Okay, arige rugu. And then make it narige rugu. Okay, kamu kaliri le? What's the name kaliri? Okay. You got this? Arige?
It's the same.
Arige rugu, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there, you know,
Anything else?
earlobe?
On the face?
I love the honey.
All together.
For the earrings.
Ali wants to know.
Earrings?
Yeah, I mean,
If there was
the
a
earrings
difference.
go inside the arige?
No, the earring goes on the outside.
Right. So earlobe is arige.
Okay. We're gonna do one thing here, right? This pendulum here. Yep. This little pendulum is called arigula.
Earring.
Oh.
That pretty blue diamond?
Arigula. And then the little puncture that goes on the ear, this little one here, this little hole, has a name too.
Ears.
No, lihune.
So arige lobe is earlobe. Lobe.
Lihune arige. Ada Jesse? Lihune. No. Arige lihune. Lihune is for the one that you puncture on the ear, for the earrings. Yeah.
Ears.
Makes sense for most of them.
Ita lalo sa lihune. Ehna lihune bege hama mutu lawle. Yeah. Ehna barige rugu law muna do. Okay. Now we're gonna do an exercise before we move to the body parts. I mean to the full body.
I love the honey. Arige low, earlobe.
You know?
No.
Arige low,
Arigula is the earring.
earring. It's
Arigula is an earring.
earring. Okay.
You should have seen that diamond you put
Ligure arige is the earlobe then.
there. Arigula is earlobe arigula.
Ligure arige
It's the hole that is made for the earring.
Ears.
That's an artificial hole. You don't come with it.
Alright.
Okay.
That's a smart baby.
I know,
Okay, someone guess what this is? Okay, Kasirile.
Earring.
Idiburi, right?
Is that hard?
Idiburi.
Idiburi.
Idiburi.